Katha by Tanya. Today I will show you some beautiful exclusive Nokshi Katha hand embroidery sarees on pure silk and pure tasar. The first saree is a beautiful Vishnupuri handloom katan silk. See the saree, it has a double tone and it's a beautiful color combined with Rani with the black, and the border you will get it's a bright Rani, and in the middle portion of the achal you will get magenta color. The color is not dyed, it's fully weaved. Wow, it's a very nice, very elegant combination. Check the color combination and also the design. Wow, check the color of the border. It's a beautiful pink with the magenta. So you will get two tone in the achal design, achal portion, and in the all over your body you will get this all over jal design, and the border color is a wine color. Wow, it's a very unique color combination, and all over the saree you will get this design. See, very nice color combination. And I will show you the blouse. It is a very pretty blouse. See the color of the blouse. Wow, it's a unique one. Check the color of the blouse. So Divas, you will get Rani and the achal in the achal, and blouse you will get Rani, and all over your body you will get wine color border and black in the body, and the price is 8,000. Okay, the price is 8,000. Yes, the material is Vishnupuri Katan. I am showing you in the fold. This is the first fold, this is the pallu fold. Okay, the price is 8,000. Now I am showing you the Gopalpur or the Sambalpuri Ghicha Ikkat sari, and we have done Katha on it to make it more exclusive and unique. See, this is the blouse. The red color is the blouse, and next to the blouse you will get pallu or achal. This is the achal, and all over your sari you will get this design. It's a very nice, and you have to see the stitching quality. Very intricate design. Very intricate stitching quality, I must say. The thread color combination is a maroon and the red. Wow. So in the yoke portion, you will get this design in all over your body. Very pretty combination. I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold, and this is the second fold. So all over your sari, this design will go like this. All over the sari. Very nice, very intricate stitch. It's like a carpet weave. It's like a carpet weave. The material is pure Ghicha Tasar, and this portion has been done in the weave, in the handloom. Okay, and the price is 8500. Now comes another pure Gachi Tasar, and the motif is very common and very popular. It's a bird motif. Katha is incomplete without bird and a rose. See, the material is pure Gachi Tasar, and the combination is a multicolor combination. Very nice, the leaf combination. Check the leaf combination. It's a pastel shade green and a bright green. And the bird, you will get three colors in the bird. It's a red, it's a Rani and a blue, and all are double shaded. I am showing you in a drape pattern. So all over your sari will go like this. The price is 8,000. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. I am showing you the drape. It's a very nice color combination. Once you drape it now, you will get a all over look throughout your sari. Okay, price is 8,000. All our sari you will get silk mark authentication. The tassar quality is a very nice high quality tassar. See, this is an exclusive one and a very nice piece tassar with the red color combination. And once I show you the blouse now, you will be amazed. I mean, you will get a extra bonus with the sari because the blouse design is very nice. I'm showing you. Just wait. The pattern will go like this. So all over your sari you will get this design. And I'm showing you the blouse. See the blouse. Wow. It's a flying bird. You can use it in a very interesting way in your blouse. See the blouse. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. So that design will go like this all over your sari, and the price is 8,000. Material is pure Gachi tassar. Now comes another combination with tassar with white. It's a very classic and very elegant combination. See, all over your sari you will get this design. It's a rose design, but it has been done with a single thread and it's in white. It's a very classic combination. Very nice color combination. The price is 8,000. All over your sari will go like this design. See the drape pattern. Once you drape it, the design will flow like this. Its price is 8,000. The material is pure Gachi. This sari is an exclusive folk design sari. Pure Gachi tassar. Material is pure Gachi tassar. And see the color of the tassar. What we have dyed. It came out very nice, very bright combination. And all over you will get this design. All over the sari. See the color and the design also. All are multicolored. The price is 8800. Very nice, high quality tassar. And all sari you will get silk mark. All over your sari you will get this design. See the design. Beautiful design. All are folk motifs. Once you drape it, it will come out like this. All over the sari. Yes, you have to see the border portion. Show this area. See the paisleys, very nicely done. The cheli katha and the guri ran all over the sari will get the katha. The material is pure Gachi tassar. Price is 8800, and this is the blouse. It's a very unique, interesting blouse. All sari length is approx 6.5 meter. Now I am showing you one Parshi hand embroidery sari. Material is pure Gachi tassar. The material is pure Gachi tassar. Half of your sari you will get this design. The price is 8200. Price is 8200. Wow. Half of your sari, 2.5 meter of the sari, you will get this all over jal design. See the work quality. And I will show you the back portion so that you can understand that all are hand stitched. All are hand stitched. This sari, at least one sari took minimum 3 months, maximum 1 year to complete a sari. Any katha sari. This is the drape of the sari. There is no red thread used in this saree. This is the blouse. Now I am showing you the fold portion. This is the first fold. This is the second fold of the saree. And this is the third fold. Okay. The price is 8200. Now another pure tussar. This is a nice saree. Very nice and very unique. Yes, showing you the design. All over the saree is like this. It's a very interesting design. Very interesting. See the combination. All are pastel shades. And these are all done by hand stitch. There is no prints, nothing. All are hand embroidery. All over your saree. I mean 6.5 meter. I am showing you the border. You will get the half circle design in the border, in the upper border and the lower border. And this is the design of the pallu. The price is 8800. The price is 8800. Okay. So all over your saree will come like this. And this is the blouse. The blouse is, you will get all over design in your blouse. Okay, material is pure tussar. Now another very interesting, yes, it's not a black saree. It's a very nice color combination. See the color combination. The material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. Material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. This colorful design portion are not dyed. It is weaved. It's a very interesting. All color has been used here. You will get rust, you will get rani, you will get royal blue, even mauve, even wine, and green also. All colors are also very interesting colors. See the color, it's an onion pink. This is a wine, this is a magenta, royal blue, mustard yellow, and check the pallu. It is a very nice pallu design. I'm showing you in folds. See, very nice color. See, first fold. And this is the second fold. And I am showing you the blouse. It is a black Vishnupuri Katan silk blouse. See the blouse. You will get all over in your sleeve. And this will come in the back. The price is 8,000. Material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. It's completely handloom. Now a beautiful and a smart design. Color is a unique color. The price is 7,000 and check the color combination. The material is Vishnupuri Katan silk, pure silk certified, silk mark certified. It's a smart design. Anyone can carry this saree because it's very lightweight and a very smart design. The color is a double tone color. It is double cross color of the turquoise blue and a rani. Turquoise blue and a rani cross color. Very nice design. The price is 7,000. Material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. Now come another Ghicha Tussar. And this is also a Sambalpuri, Odisha, Gopalpur fabric. All are handloom. Wow, see the color combination, very nice color. I'm showing you the blouse first. This is the blouse. See the blouse design, very pretty, very smart design. And after this is the blouse, and this portion is a aanchal or the pallu. In the middle of the pallu, you will get this kantha design and a weave design. Kantha design and a weave design. So it's a mix and match of Ghicha Tasar Sambalpuri, and this is the all over sari design. All over your sari you will get this design. All are done by hand katha stitch on a Ghicha Tasar, pure handloom. It's not a Bhagalpuri Tasar, it's a Sambalpuri pure Ghicha Tasar. See, I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold and this is the second fold. All over your sari you will get this design. Price is 8500. Now another pure Gachi Tasar. Wow, it's a very nice design and very popular. See the design. It's a rose. Price is 7500. Very nice color. It will look very pretty wearing this, and even elegant, because it's not all over jal design. It's not too busy. It's a pretty saree. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. You have to see the work quality. It's a very intricate work. Katha is incomplete without its intricacy. I mean, see, this is the complete look of the saree. Okay, the price is 7500. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Now comes another 3D Katan silk. It's a purely handloom. Wow, check the color of the saree. Very nice color. It's like a playing with the color blue. All are blue tone. Very nice color. I am draping the saree. Then you will get the full look of the saree. Wow. See how pretty the shades are. Nice shades of blue. And see the combination in the pallu also. Very nicely combined with the blue. All color are very much okay. The price is 7800. I am showing you the blouse. It is a very pretty blouse. See the color of the blouse. Once you make the blouse now, it will look awesome. I mean, the color all goes with the blue. All the pink shades. Very nice. The price is 7800. This is the design. All over your saree will go this design. So divas, that's it for today's video. If you want to book any saree, please do WhatsApp on the given number in the screen below, and we'll definitely get back to you. And if you want to watch our live shows that has been done every Friday and Sunday 8 PM or 7 PM, please join our Facebook. The link of the Facebook has been given in the description box. Thank you.